Welcome to the world of outdoor fun with our amazing loop rung. Designed with kids' safety and enjoyment in mind, this fantastic equipment features loop rung ladders on both sides, ensuring easy access to the top. With 6 to 7 sturdy support climbers at the summit, children can navigate and explore safely, thanks to our top-notch, high-quality materials. Join us in providing endless fun and adventure for your little ones. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting products and to order your very own loop rung today.